Hello everyone! Today, we are going to show how to create a smart knock detecting door lock using Arduino. It's a simple project you can make for school purposes. So just follow along and we're going to guide you with these simple steps. You can check out the comprehensive guide from circuitdigest.com on the link provided at the description box below. It includes a complete code for the programming. Now, let's proceed with the materials and methods. We will need an Arduino, piezo sensor and resistor, connecting wires, Arduino connector, push button, servo motor, and battery. First, the buzzer with resistor will be connected to the analog pin A0 and ground. Next, 3 connecting wires will be attached to the servo motor. The 3 connecting wires will be attached to pin D3, 5V, and ground. Then, 2 connecting wires will be attached to the push button. These will be connected to pin D7 and ground. The next step will be the most important part of the process: the setting up of knock pattern that will actuate the servo motor to open our door. The program can be found on the link provided at the description box below. An Arduino UNO software is needed for this project. After setting up the program, connect the hardware to the computer. This time, we are going to register a knock pattern on the Arduino. You can use whatever form of opening mechanism like drawers, vaults, or garage to demonstrate the unlocking, but in this project, we used a door to show the smart knock system. First, open the software with the complete code. Select Tools and click Serial Monitor. A dialog box will appear. You can now start registering the knock pattern you like. Start by pressing the push button. You must hold it while you are knocking. This pattern will be saved by the Arduino. When you knock the same pattern, this will open the door as shown. Do this step 3 times to verify the pattern. It will open the door only when the pattern matches. Once the pattern is registered, use a battery for the system to operate. You now have a knock detecting door lock. Thanks for watching.